Belts and hoses play crucial roles in the operation and functionality of automobiles. Here's a breakdown of their importance. The serpentine belt is a single, continuous belt that drives multiple components in the engine, such as the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning compressor. It ensures the proper functioning of these components and transfers power from the engine to them. Without a functioning serpentine belt, these systems would fail, leading to loss of electrical power, overheating, and other issues. The timing belt synchronizes the rotation of the engine's camshaft and crankshaft. It controls the opening and closing of the engine's valves at the right time, ensuring proper combustion and preventing damage to internal engine components. If the timing belt fails, the engine can suffer severe damage, such as bent valves or damaged pistons, leading to costly repairs. Radiator hoses circulate coolant between the engine and the radiator, helping to regulate engine temperature. They carry hot coolant away from the engine to the radiator, where it cools down before returning to the engine. Faulty radiator hoses can lead to coolant leaks, overheating, and engine damage. Heater hoses are responsible for circulating coolant to the heater core, which provides heat for the vehicle's interior. These hoses allow the transfer of heat from the engine coolant to the heater core, which then blows warm air into the cabin. Damaged or leaking heater hoses can result in a lack of heat inside the car. Fuel hoses transport fuel from the fuel tank to the engine, ensuring a steady supply of fuel for combustion. Any leakage or damage to these hoses can lead to fuel leaks, reduced engine performance, and potential fire hazards. Regular inspection and maintenance of belts and hoses are vital to ensure their reliability and prevent unexpected failures. Over time, these components can deteriorate due to age, heat, and wear. It's recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for inspection intervals and replace belts and hoses as recommended to avoid potential breakdowns, engine damage, and safety risks.